very, very well built, very handy little coffee grinder for making your individual pots. You press down on this, you see it's spring loaded. Press down on it, it flips, it opens. There's the grinding mechanism down there. You can see it's well, if you look, you can see it's curved and it is multi-bladed. It is not one simple little blade. When you have put this back in and tighten it on, you will see that you can arrange the level of your grind by turning it back and forth. And what is that doing there? Well, it's I can't really see what it's doing. I thought I'd be able to and be able to have some idea of how it's working. You can take this out for cleaning, as I just did, and put it back in for your grind. I think the grind goes up and down in there. I'm not sure. Nice little dispenser down here for the outgo, the ground coffee, and there's LCD there, lights up and shows you it. Comes with a little brush for cleaning it out. Just a really fine little coffee grinder.
So I bought this grinder last January 2022, and I've been using it for about the last 8 months. And for 8 months it's worked well, and then about a week ago it made a clunk and it no longer grinds coffee at the same rate as it did before. I've just got it opened up so you can see the inside here. This is the way it's always been, so all the parts are present and I don't see any broken parts. So I'm not sure exactly what went clunk or why it's not working now. But I used to get a Porto filter full of coffee in about 10 seconds. And now when I grind for 10 seconds, I only get a tiny amount of grind. Not enough for an espresso. I have to probably grind for a couple of minutes to get enough coffee now.
Bill Doobie here. Quick review of my Chefman electric Burr coffee grinder. These are great grinders. I had one like this back in the military for Battle Watch. The only problem you're going to have ever with this thing is the little bit of powder residue that is going to form right here. We'll show it after I grind. The quick solution to that is just to have yourself a rag on hand. Other than that, they're great. Also, this is what it's replacing. I'm going to have the two grinders talk for themselves. You'll see what I'm talking about. Now notice the difference. There we go. Now, wow, we didn't even have any coffee grinds. If you make sure that this is pushed all the way back, a lot of times you won't. We just removed the lid here. Here's our coffee. Looks great. Then we pour it in. Now we're all set, ready to make coffee for the morning. This is a well-made machine with proper care. Should last me a long time. I give this grinder a thumbs up.
Hey everybody, check it out. So we did buy the grinder, and as you can see, it matches with our coffee pot really, really well. It's a little bit smaller than I would like, but other than that, good product.